The stock market is becoming steadier and calmer. Joining us now with What to Watch is Jared Levy. Jared, as a pro trader, even though volatility is starting to slow a bit here, does it still hold true that traders do not want to hold big positions over the weekend?
Yeah, I think that, and by the way, great to see you. I think that right now traders are definitely reluctant to get really long on Fridays because this the news cycle, which, by the way, if you notice, Trump has quieted down a little bit. So, one thing I'm seeing just with earnings, so about 450 almost earnings reports from the S&P 500 total. We're seeing, I think, results were up 12.12% from the same period last year, or 12.2%, and 4.1% higher revenues versus the year before. So again, not so bad, but it's not the look back we're worried about. It's really the things that everybody, all the executives are saying about the economy moving forward. A lot more of we're hearing a lot of fear talk, everybody's, and they're following through. I mean, Ford is raising prices. We're seeing a lot of other companies raising prices. So, here on Friday, as you get ready for next week, critical data, CPI, PPI, retail sales out next week, consumer sentiment, and consumer inflation expectations, which, by the way, they're expected to be like 6.5%. But good news is CPI and PPI both are expected to decline. I am hoping and praying that that is the case still. But again, lots of traders looking there. One ray of light that you can sort of focus in on is tech. Tech earnings expectations are on the rise. So it's kind of bucking the trend, looking at high quality tech, maybe some value plays there. iHack is an ETF that we've talked about on the show, and AIQ are both ETFs that I think are kind of interesting going into next week.
Thank you for your Trader Talk.
Thanks, Angie. It's great to see you.